All right, so for an A-roll shot, usually this is what I have. So I have this light over here. If I'm going to be sitting here, then this light is going to be shining on my left side. Then this is going to be my main light, which is going to be right on my face. Usually I would like to tilt it to one angle it about 45 degrees to yourself. That's what everyone is saying. And I also have one more light here. Let me turn that on. So this is to give me that orange look right around my left cheek and my face right over there. Then another important thing is going to be the background light. So that one I'm going to use something like this, and I'll have it here pointing to the back. Now, one more thing I like doing, or I should say is quite important for you to do, is turn off the lights, the lights in your room, so the ceiling lights should go off. Let's do that right now, and I'll explain as I go on. Now, the reason for this is quite simple. We want to be able to control as much light as possible. So if you have the ceiling lights, or probably the lights coming from outside, like, I don't know, maybe sunlight or something like that, then if the sun goes down, your camera settings is also going to change if you are using auto ISO, or if you have set an ISO maybe 400, if you have your specific brightness, then the sun goes down, then your camera would have to increase it by itself, or you have to go and change the settings. So usually I just block off every light, then I control the light myself. So I set up the lights the way I want it. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm looking quite good in there. So let me bring this down a bit. I'm no more typing. So ideally, I would have a table in front of me with products in there, or sometimes I can just read from my smartphone if I have my script on it, like so. So I'll be like, okay, we are talking about this camera. Then I place it on my tile like this. Then I'll grab the camera or whatever I'm talking about. I can look at both cameras at the same time. So it will go something like this. Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Phenomenal Concept, and today we are talking about this camera. Is it good enough? Well, let's find out then. So something like this is quite interesting. Or you can talk about the price and be like, hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Phenomenal Concept. So for 100 Ghana cedis, should you buy this camera? Well, let's find out then. So something like this is also quite interesting to make your audience want to watch. How is this 100 cedis? Another one can go like, if you're looking to buy a point and shoot camera, then don't buy this one. People will be curious, why shouldn't they buy this one? Now, unfortunately for this particular camera, it doesn't have a flip. It doesn't have a flip out screen. It's actually tilt up and down, so I can't see myself. So usually I'll just record before and after. I'll just record a video before. So I'll just have the chair here, test my audio, test my light, and just record about 30 seconds. Oh, come on. About 30 seconds. Then I'll go and look at the video, see how it is like before I actually start recording. Now I say this because hey, who is this? Now I say this because I actually recorded a 30-minute video with all the giggling and the laughing and all of that until I went to check, and unfortunately for me, there was a problem with the video. I think the lighting was bad, or part of my head was cut off because I didn't position the camera well or angle the camera well. So all these are examples of things you have to take note of. I think I also recorded a tutorial on the Phenomenal Concept channel, also quite lengthy. Then I realized that I didn't press record on the microphone because I record both video and audio separately, like what you're seeing right now. So the video is being recorded by the cameras and I have an audio recorder right here. So I didn't press record on the recorder, and it's stressful. So always test your audio before you get started. So for an A-roll shot, usually it's something like this. I have two lights, so one facing me directly, going to be my main light. I have another light filling in the shadows, which is going to be here. Fortunately for me, I have a third light for my hair. but it's not bright enough, so I haven't really set it up right now. So it's supposed to make my hair pop a little bit more. And there's background lights, there's lights on the table. All of these are practical lights, and there's light on my TV too as well. Usually I also turn on the TV just to get more light in here. I mean, that's the basis of photography. Photo means light, so a photograph is a graph of light. Videography is just photos being put together to form a sequence. So basically that is it for my A-roll shot. Let's take a look at the other things in this video and in this course, like the scripting and how to hook your clients.